You shouldn't play tonight.
Wait! She came back.
Your strings sound perfect.
My hands are still shaking.
Being nervous means you care.
I just want to play well.
Then play from your heart.
There's my favorite violinist.
Dad, I'm your only violinist.
Exactly. That makes choosing easy.
Three regional wins. Now everyone thinks she's special.
Julie has improved so much.
She might actually win tonight.
They've already decided.
Good luck tonight, Emma.
Thank you. There. It should stay closed now.
Thank you so much.
You're gonna do great.
She has to be perfect at everything.
Finalists, prepare for the opening ceremony.
Ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Whatever happens, we're proud of you.
Even if I come last?
Especially if you give your best.
If she can't play, then she can't beat me.
Julie, you forgot your cloth. Thanks, Mom.
No. Julie,
My hand hurts.
don't move it.
What happened? Someone call the medic.
What did I do?
She needs an X-ray.
I only wanted to scare her. I didn't mean.
Please welcome our two-time champion, Emma.
Just be perfect. She's gone. I just have to win.
Nothing is broken. It's badly bruised. Can she play? She shouldn't force it.
Then we go together.
Let's get you back.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our final scheduled performance.
It's over.
Wait a moment.
She came back.
Are you certain you can perform?
Yes.
Only if she stops when it hurts. No trophy is worth an injury. I understand.
After what happened, she still came back.
Breathe.
Play for yourself.
Tonight's champion showed not only skill, but extraordinary courage and heart. The championship goes to Julie.
I won?
You did.
And you finished safely.
I'm happy. But playing again mattered more.
Julie, wait. I need to tell you something. What is it?
The lighting stand didn't fall by accident. I pushed it.
I was terrified you would win. I thought if you couldn't perform, then I would still be champion.
Why would you risk someone's safety for a trophy?
Because I thought winning was the only thing that made me important. I was scared tonight. I could have been badly hurt. I'm sorry. I know. What you did was wrong. I deserve whatever happens.
This won't make people love me more tomorrow. And losing it wouldn't make my parents love me less.
I don't remember the last time I played because I enjoyed it. Then maybe start there.
After everything I did, you're still helping me? I'm not saying what you did was okay. Congratulations. Thank you.
You deserve tonight.
We both deserve to play. Competition should make us better, not crueler.
I think I finally understand.
How does it feel to be champion?
Honestly,
Always.
the trophy is nice. But coming back was better.
That's what we're proud of.